This is Thursday, December 12, and I'm here with your Manhattan market report, going over quickly what's important for you to know. The first 9 months of the year, we've seen slower activity, lower than the average. Right after Labor Day weekend, September was starting to go back to normal activity, normal pace of inventory and contract sign activity. October and November, we are back in the green. This is mainly due because of the election. We have more certainty, both for buyers and sellers, as well as the interest rate. It's now stabilized. We understand this is the numbers. It's not going to change. The prediction also for 2025 to be the same. Open house activity has also been peaking in October and November. We are seeing contract sign activity of 20% higher than last November. Last week was also the third best week for Manhattan luxury market. Those are properties above 4 million. The median home price and the average price both have come up significantly than previous year, 21% increase from last November in terms of average home price. The median home price and the average home price for Manhattan real estate have been increasing significantly. We're seeing 21% increase on the average home price from last November, and listing discounts stayed about the same, 7 to 8%. We're seeing the significant increase in prices mainly on condos and particularly new development. What should we expect moving forward? One, like I mentioned, interest rate is here. It's not going to change. All the prediction is for 2025 to continue the same. In terms of contract activity, inventory, we know that the end of the year is always slower. We tend to see less inventory. We might see more private exclusive and coming soon, but less until January. Usually mid-January and February are the peak activity in terms of listings and open house activity. End of the year is always slower. Sellers most of the times are waiting to list in the pre-spring market, so waiting for January and February. So we are expecting to have a slower December towards the mid of January. January through March, we tend to see the peak activity in open houses, more listings, more availability. For buyers out there, check private exclusive, check off-market and coming soon opportunities, because this is the next month or so is going to have a lot of those opportunities that are not listed yet. And for sellers, this is a time to prepare to list, do market analysis. Pricing is what's most important these days. With the interest rates and the amount of inventory, it is important to be listed at the right price. For sellers, this is a time to prepare to list, to analyze and monitor the market, and to even put your apartment as a private exclusive. We are going to see a lot of those in the next 30 to 60 days until the pre-market starts in the mid to end of January. Whether buying or selling, strategic planning and monitoring the market is the key as we head into 2025.